I touch you. So what you say, what you say, what you say? Pretty girl, when you come my way, what you do, what you do, what you do, I must get through. Girl, roll up now, you show me that wine. Turn around, girl, don't be shy. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah. So girl, I love how the way you blow my mind. Hold me tight and bring down wine. Hello, 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 hello. Lord, hey. Are you ready? Are you ready for it? Are you ready? Are you ready for it? You want give me that? No hold back. Wind it up, ride it, front to the back. No long chat, just come to me. I'll give you that sweet type of love. Sweet type of love. Come give me that sweet type of love. Real type of love. Hold me, darling.
Hey. Oi.
For the whole night we jamming.
Super Links.
I want give it to ya. 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 I want give it to ya, baby. I want give it to ya, honey. I want give it to ya, sweetheart. I want give it to ya. Where you whine it, turn me on. Like the fountain I overcome. Whining so sweet, had to beg for some. Come give me some sweetness, darling. Pon the roll like a brand new car. Pop your string like a Bogota. Weak connection, raise the temperature. Come give me some sweetness, darling. Hold it, cause she getting on, cause she in a heat when I turn the pressure on. Oh gosh, turn it on. No gosh, oh gosh. Hold it, cause she getting on, cause she in a heat. She want to jump in the water. Oh gosh, just hit the right spot. I want give it to ya. 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 I want give it to ya, baby. I want.
Babe,
Yeah,
you stuck.
I know. Don't leave me here.
It's my birthday, I'm going. You stay here.
Can't leave me here.
Bye.
You got all the money. You can't leave me here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Congratulations,
Thank you.
Make a wish.
Make a wish.
Tomorrow. And many years more, man.
Thank you.
Fine, fine, fine. Every man put your hand up. Every girl start whining. Specters. That's my show. Fine, fine, fine. Yo, Holland pull up. Mash it up, mash it up. Fine, fine, fine. Every man put your hand up. Every girl start whining.
I know you're watching, now I'm walking up my ways. My body good, you wanna bet me for a pace. You wanna hold me down and lock me up for days. Oh yeah, yeah,
I want it.
I want you, and I could tell you want me to. I feel you, I could feel your love and push. I feel you. Just say you want me, say you want me to. You need to. The way you wind up on me, the way you push up on me, the way you twist up on me. I could tell that you want me. The way you bend your back and push back and bubble
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
What are we doing for your birthday?
Jumping out of a plane, obviously.
Crazy. Is it your first time?
It is.
Are you scared? No? All right. Well, we'll see what happens when the door opens.
Yeah, right.
Do you have any last words? Do you have anything you want to say to anyone?
Jumping in the 32, baby.
I like it. Have fun. I'll see you up there. Woohoo!
Post interview. How do you feel? How was it? Does that explain it all?
Almost didn't do it. Almost didn't do it, man. On my knees. Oh my God.
How was the view?
It was beautiful. Oh, Jesus. I think I almost passed out a couple times. I did. The dude was like, you alright? You look pale. Oh, yeah.
I see you sweating there. Is that a nerve sweat?
I think I almost, yeah. When he dropped it, like,
Yeah, it jerked back.
Waka waka baby, uru uru baby, corner corner baby. And I go tell my mama, and I go tell my papa, and I go tell am say, you be waka waka baby, you be chuku chuku baby, baby sawale, sawa sawa sawale, sawa sawa sawale. Hey hey, pom pom, iporokotom, ipom pom, iporokotom. I wish I boom boom. Boom boom. And the baby sawa lele. Sawa le. Sawa sawa sawa
So fresh, so clean. Then she broke that was the boomerang and in the mind. This bitch is fine. I came to the club, I hit the left hand. Then I play with your panty line. We do it on the sand and it gon' down. She pretty hard, wanna sweat me now. To the drunk, then I'm hard, wanna threaten me now. She do me come in the club, I miss you go. And then I like to see the females working. Taking the clothes off, working naked. And you ain't hold on, please respect it. I put a pop, yo, cause I like it. Looking at it, cause it's the
What is a beautiful girl like you doing out here all alone?
it's my birthday.
Your birthday here?
Yes.
How old are you? Barely enough to drink?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I snuck out.
Snuck out from where?
I left my husband in the States.
Oh, so you're here alone? Well.
Hasta que LeBron nivel de abajo con la cuesta. Ando con la orquesta, cabrón en la cesta. Yo nunca estoy abajo en las apuestas, y menos en esta.
Honey bun.
I did it for you. There you go. And you got it on camera.
Thank you. Thank you. Feel this way, my girl.
Set the trend, Calvin. You make man start spend again, Calvin. Show me why you and your friend to mash up the place from when. Me say, baby, just bend down, pause. 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 Baby, just bend down.
Morning, man. You still on birthday shots?
Shots.
You got a few in you.
Plus you ain't give me no reason. You tell me this the end of the season. Mash up we think dress so. But you don't understand when you watch me. I said I see that I win the lottery. How you go pick up dress so and you don't mean no, baby no. But your back on me clothes in a beach bag. You put it on the ground by the roadside. You tell me get out your place to come inside. Baby don't do me that, you go break me heart. Can't believe you're ready to give up on me just so. Cause if you want me to go, you can't be looking the way you do. You can't be cooking the way you do. You can't be hooking me. If you want me to go, you can't be looking the way you do. You can't be hooking the way you do. Because you're hooking me. No matter what I say, you were hearing. You said the love disappearing. On the drawer and cupboard you're clearing. Mash up with thing dress so. When I met you, Marshall tell me, hey, that is a trophy. So if you throw away the thing, it go hurt me.
Woo. We here celebrating my queen's 32nd birthday in Aruba.
21.
21st day. Happy birthday.